I spent way too much time recently looking at the claims behind this specific brain booster. It is marketed as this ultimate key to unlocking your hidden potential. They call it Primal Brain. It sounds intense. It sounds like something a hunter-gatherer would use if they had access to a laboratory. The website is filled with these incredible stories. People say they woke up and suddenly felt like their head was clear for the first time in a decade. I always get suspicious when the stories sound like movie scripts. These testimonials are often curated to show only the absolute best cases. Sometimes they are not even from real customers. You have to wonder if you should really expect to feel like a genius after 7 days. The answer is usually a loud no. The company leans very hard on their credentials. They scream about being made in the United States. They highlight the non-GMO labels and the certifications for good manufacturing practices. For many people, that is enough to click the buy button. It feels safe. It feels professional. However, there is a massive distinction we need to make here. An FDA-registered facility is just a building that told the government they exist. It does not mean the government tested the pills. It does not mean the government says these pills work. In the world of supplements, the burden of proof is very low. You can say almost anything as long as you put a small disclaimer at the bottom. There is no ironclad research here. We do not have peer-reviewed studies on this specific formula. We do not have data showing it prevents the natural decline of our cognitive abilities as we age. When you strip away the flashy labels, you are left with a lot of questions. If you do notice a difference, it might be because you are finally paying attention to your health. Maybe you started drinking more water. Maybe you are finally trying to focus more. The pill gets the credit, but your habits are doing the heavy lifting. I see this all the time in the wellness space. People want a shortcut. We are all tired. We all feel that afternoon slump. We all forget where we put our keys sometimes. The idea of a magic pill is so tempting. It is much easier to swallow a capsule than it is to go for a 30-minute run. It is easier than choosing a salad over a burger. But the brain is a complex organ. It needs blood flow. It needs nutrients from actual food. It needs the deep cleaning that only happens during high-quality sleep. If you are looking for real support, go back to the foundations. Give your brain a challenge it has never faced before. Pick up a musical instrument. Try a difficult puzzle. Those activities actually build new pathways in your head. This supplement might give you a tiny nudge, but it is not a substitute for a healthy. Do not let the marketing convince you that your brain is broken without their product. You have more control over your focus than a bottle of pills will ever provide. Be skeptical of the hype and stay curious about what your body actually needs to thrive. The price of these bottles can add up fast. You could spend that money on high-quality groceries or a gym membership instead. Those things offer a guaranteed return on your investment. Your memory and your focus are too important to leave to chance. They deserve more than a trendy supplement with a cool name. They deserve a lifestyle that actually supports them every single day.